Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Bling Snowflake table runner. And this is, of course, can be used for Christmas, it can be used for New Year's, and it can also just be used to take you right through the whole winter season. So what you're going to need is I've got some silver glitter snowflakes here. I picked these up at Family Dollar. You may be able to find some of these at Dollar Tree, of course. I've got 2 packs of those. And you'll need 2 packs of these white snowflakes from Dollar Tree. I've got 3 of these large snowflakes from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a pair of these glass tea light holders. I've got some silver spray paint because I'm going to be using that to spray out 10 of these white snowflakes and make them silver. I think these do come in a pack of 5 or 6, so you will need 2 packs. And then, of course, you'll need the silver spray paint. I've got some hot glue. If you want to make this permanent, please use E6000. And then I have some peel and stick gemstones that I picked up at Walmart. You can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. And these are the items that we'll need to complete this beautiful table runner. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint 10 of these white snowflakes with silver spray paint. And while that's drying, I will come back and we'll get started working on other components for the table runner. And you can see these turned out beautifully. Okay, you guys, isn't that beautiful? So let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it so you can see some of the different ways you can use this snowflake runner. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.